Did you know that missing your Titre de Séjour appointment by even 1 day can leave you undocumented in France, with no legal right to work or travel? If you're a non-EU national living in France, here's exactly what you need to do. First, create your account on the official ANEF portal. That's Administration Étrangères Annonces Séjours France.gouv.fr. This is now the primary platform for most residence permit applications, replacing the old prefecture system. Do this as soon as you arrive, because processing can take 3 to 6 months. Second, gather your documents carefully. You'll need a valid passport, proof of address dated within 3 months, your visa, and supporting documents specific to your permit category. Whether that's a work contract, student enrollment letter, or family ties proof, many applications require the CEREFA form 115605. So download it directly from servicepublic.fr to avoid outdated versions circulating online. Third, submit before your current visa or permit expires. Under French immigration law, you can request an autorisation provisoire de séjour to legally remain while your application is processed, but only if you applied on time. The biggest mistake people make? Waiting too long. French law requires you to apply before expiry, not after. Submitting late can trigger a refusal and even removal proceedings. This is general information only. Always consult a qualified professional for your specific situation. If this helped you, subscribe. We help expats in Europe navigate the system every single day.